Hey y'all, thanks for finding my YouTube channel. I'm Casey Stone of Clerestory Design, and this is my latest project, the Hyatt house built in 1785. Now, local lore and legend says that this house was built by a ship's captain whose ghost haunts the third floor. There's also local legend that the rooms were built to feel like you were in a ship. Well, I want you to come inside with me because we may have found the origin of where that comes from. Let's go. Good morning, everyone. It is a new week at the Hyatt house. We are continuing demo and continuing our discoveries. Hey, I don't think I showed y'all this cute little shelf. It's kind of between two doors. I think it's super cute. It's probably gonna have to go away though, because I think that's where we're gonna have to put a closet. This room was a kitchen, but it's gonna become a downstairs bedroom. And of course you need a closet to be a bedroom. This is where that double washboard sink was, drain board sink, and the cabinet was there. This looks like these walls are gonna be the same luan as we found in the room across the way. But I'm so intrigued by this. It looks like somebody has done a painting. I don't know if we're even gonna be able to get to it because it's got coats of paint on top of it, but just the discoveries that you make. Okay, folks, you remember I told you we had the room across the hall with the wallpaper. This was the old kitchen. We were gonna start pulling off this like luan cardboardy stuff that's on the walls. And check out these wooden walls. There was a window there at one time. This was done when they closed up the window, so there's not a patch there. So far they're in really good shape. The ceiling's in good shape. Years ago there was an oven there, so we do have a small patch there. So I don't know. We just keep finding layers, and I don't know where to stop peeling. Do we take this beadboard off to see if the wood goes behind it? Remember, on the other side of this wall is that bathroom, so we may pull some of that siding off and see if that gives us a clue what's behind the beadboard. 100% positive that I'm gonna save the ceiling if the rest of it looks this good. But what to do with the walls? I don't know. It's just exciting and daunting at the same time, because every layer I get to, I think I want to stop here. I want to preserve this layer. But what's cool behind it? We don't know. So upon further study, this wood is actually tongue and groove, which explains why it's so close together. There's a board over there that's split, and so we can see a little bit of the tongue. I am intrigued by this flooring, or this material that they used. It's basically cardboard. It's a very thick cardboard. And I don't know if you can see this, but we pulled the little like fur strips off, and it's been painted. Before it went up, it was painted mostly yellow and red and blue. Looks a little bit like where the road starts at Munchkin City. There's some over here too. It's on the walls and the ceiling. Over here, I'm not gonna step on a nail. Over here, it's not just red and blue, it's all different colors. So I'm just really intrigued by this. It seems to me like they repurposed something. So if anyone has any ideas what that would have been beforehand, I wish there was a way to get that gray paint off so we could see what's underneath there. But yeah, so hey, these folks were resourceful, and we're going to be resourceful too. We are going to keep this wood. This room is already coming together in my mind, and it's amazing. So I think we're on like day 13 or maybe 15. And we are still finding awesome stuff just about every day. So we got all of that cardboard and luan off, and you can see that other than a few small patches, these shiplap, really, walls and ceiling are in great shape. Now we know that a captain lived in this house, a ship's captain. Is this the room that you always hear that he made to feel like he was in his ship? Because it certainly feels like marine construction. So we're going to stop here. We're going to hopefully save the speed board. We don't think that the shiplap continues behind it, but when we tear off the plaster on the other side of this wall, we'll have a better idea. But I'm delighted. This was an absolute surprise to find this. So there you go. Hey, okay, so I'm in the backyard of the Hyatt house. I was just over here making some videos for you guys, showing you what had been done. And I went up on the second floor. The guys aren't working. There's nobody here today. And I definitely heard some stuff happening. I don't know if it was the third floor or maybe one of the bedrooms on the second floor. Definitely heard something moving. Didn't see anyone in there. The doors were locked. So I got out of there pretty quick. I moved faster than I thought I could. And I've called in reinforcements. So when somebody else gets here, I'm going to go back in and finish shooting some videos for you. But didn't see anything, but definitely heard some metal moving. I don't know. It was an uneasy feeling. All right, y'all. So I called in reinforcements. We walked all over the house. We didn't hear or see anything out of the ordinary. So I don't know. I don't know if it was a ghost or a squirrel or maybe just the wind, but all I know is I got out of there quick. So, hey, thank you for joining me for a good scare and another installment of the Hyatt House Demo and Discoveries. So what did we discover? Well, we discovered a really cool room that has a shiplap ceiling and shiplap walls, and we might have discovered the origin of the story that the house was built to feel like you were in a ship. And we might have discovered some more evidence that those stories about the ghost on the third floor, they may be true. Either way, I hope you had a good time. I hope you'll come back. I hope you will subscribe and like and comment. Tell me, do you think it was a ghost? Do you believe in ghosts? What do you know about ghosts, and do they make noises in the middle of the afternoon? So thanks for coming, and come back soon.